So we're down in Rickmansworth today. I've just come down to meet Tanesh. What made you decide to have a roof clean in the first place?
So we had the roof cleaned about 7-8 years ago. It was already looking quite mossy and quite heavy and a bit tired. Sort of standard Google search. Then I actually went onto YouTube and started seeing some videos, and I found, actually that's how I found RedClean. And it was the videos that attracted me to getting your team here today or last week to come and clean out the roof.
Oh, great. So the videos, they're a good advertising point for us, then, you think?
Yeah, very much so, because, you know, when we had it done last time, they did it from they got the whole scaffolding up, they run on top of the roof, and they made it was quite messy. It was a messy job. Yeah. And technology's moved on, you know, and your videos helped me understand actually, they clean in a very different way now. It's a very tidy job, but also the before and after process, which is always nice to see that, you know, my roof's going to look like that too. So the videos definitely help.
Before you used us, did you get any other quotes? Did you?
Yeah, I always go out to get 3 or 4 quotes, especially when they're sort of jobs to do with the house and stuff. You guys came out the most cost effective. I did ask for a cheeky little discount, which I did get. Thank you, RedClean. So that was excellent. And then the team were here literally a week after, which was really good for us because we're in the middle of a phase of doing a bunch of projects through the house. So to get it done in time and on budget was really, really good for us.
Okay, brilliant. And we as far as prices were concerned, were we a lot better than others? Or
but not only in the number, actually in the way the quote was presented, and the whole process was just light years ahead of everybody else that I'd spoken to.
Okay, great. That's good to hear. As far as the team are concerned, were you satisfied with the team?
Yeah, really nice team actually. They just got on with it, explained the process. There are a few bits around the side which we thought would be difficult to get around to, but they explained how they would do it, and they actually, if you look, well, you can't see it, but both sides were done really, really well, and they're very, very difficult sides to get around.
Is that the side of the dormer windows?
Yeah, both. I know both sides. It's just awkward to get to. So the guys did an extremely good job, and I can't remember the name of the main
Craig
guy.
and Aaron.
What's next, Al?
Side of the roof was done, back of the roof was done, just doing the gutters. It's a crack on.
Alright, let's go.
How did you find the process with RedClean from start to finish?
Really easy.
Yeah?
Yeah, really easy. from the moment I saw the video, I sent the email on a Sunday night, the inquiry. I think it came through on a Monday morning. I spoke to John, is it?
Yes,
yeah. Lovely guy, spoke to him a few times. And then quotes came through. I had to do some more digging to get some other quotes to come through. Went back to John, said, this is where I really do want to go with you, purely because of the video stuff actually, the before and after, and then here we are.
Are you satisfied with the results of the
Yeah,
clean?
absolutely, very satisfied. My roof, it looks really, really clean, which is a great job, but then it's also brought out some of the things that we need to do to it now to get it look a little bit more.
Yeah, that's it. It tends to happen when
tiles.
we do some houses with a lot of moss on the roof, and when we remove that moss, you can unearth things that were there, but you maybe couldn't see, the damaged tiles or.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, it's definitely better to have them cleaned, and then you can find them problems and get them sorted out.
Yeah, it's a great job, and I definitely recommend the team. We've got a local WhatsApp group around here. There's about 300 houses on it, so be definitely one of those that I'd recommend RedClean out to the group, the local community for sure.
As far as the whole clean and dealing with us is concerned, do you think that there's anything that we could improve on as a company to make a customer's journey a little bit easier with us or more simplified?
This is a difficult one, because actually I think when I look back, the entire process was very, very easy. And I think if I compare to everything else we've got going on in the house at the moment, every single one of those other suppliers has given us some kind of problem or presented some kind of challenge, or I think slow, or things haven't been done. But this has been the easiest, frictionless, nicest experience we've had, if I'm honest.
So that's brilliant.
So yeah, you never want to give 100%, so 99% we were there.
Yeah, nice one. Well, thanks very much, and thanks again for coming on the camera. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.